Hi people, hi my subscriber, hi friends, hi neighbors. How are you doing today? Well, I'm gonna carry you on a trip to Jamaica. Jamaica, the land of wood and water. If you already subscribe to this channel, those who are visiting, you can go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share, comment, and you can press the notification button to get notified when I upload videos. I know that some of you on here knows about Jamaica, and to tell you the truth, Jamaica is a beautiful country. The last time I visited Jamaica, they were working on the road, so as you can see right here, they have layers of mall and they're doing the sideways. Yes, so that is how the road look. I can tell by now they already fixed it and it's proper now. But at the time I went there, this was how the road look. Traveling on Jamaican road can be a unique experience. So here's what you might expect. You might expect winding road, mountains, terrain means many roads are winding and narrow, but when you go to Jamaica, I can tell you, especially some like the potholes. Wow, the road right now it's very rough, uneven surface, and all those things. You have sometimes traffic, a lot of traffic on the road. Lord Jesus, can you imagine? Sometimes you have some of the drivers there, they can be so aggressive. So be prepared sometimes, especially when you have some of them, they drive sudden, stop sudden on you in the road. They overtake you, them speed. Many roads not really have any, like the sleeping police there. So pedestrian, yes, you have pedestrian. Sometimes all the animals, them at time them come out in the road. So sometimes you have to look, drive and look, be cautious. Yeah, cautious. Because you have animals on the road out there sometimes. But one thing I can tell you in Jamaica, when you travel and you look and see all those nice, big, pretty houses, wow, I can tell you, Jamaica are improving. Yeah, it's improved. Right now in Jamaica, I can tell you that almost everybody over there have their own licensed taxi. So as you go out on the road, you can get a taxi to bring you anywhere you want to go, whether Timbuktu or whatever, wherever, no problem. Look right here, people. Look on these nice houses. That's beautiful. Wow, Jamaica are so very beautiful. That's hence the reason why I gave this channel this name, Country Life Nice. So you can go over on the page and you can subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so press the notification bell as well, where you get updates and all the videos that I put out there. Come along guys, let me take you on to the rest of the tour. If you're traveling from other island and you want to go to Jamaica, remember, get a tour operator to tour and to guide you to explore the island. So some of the safety tips that I would love to give you, and we all know that, is to wear your seat belt. Always wear a seat belt, even in taxi. At night, avoid driving at night, especially on rural roads. Yeah. And another thing is this: always remember to drive on the left side of the road. Yeah, in Jamaica, we drive on the left side. Yeah. So you can ask for advice. You can ask for advice on road condition and safety and stay alert. Be prepared for unexpected situation like sudden stops and turn. Okay? When you visit Jamaica, always understand these factors. You'll be better prepared for traveling on Jamaica Road. Okay, guys? There are a lot of people attend Jamaica for holiday. They spend their vacation, especially some of them, they love the beach. And we have beautiful beach out there in Jamaica. I can tell you about one named Winifred Beach. Almost everybody I know wanted to go to Winifred Beach. Yeah, Winifred Beach is the best beach ever. You don't have to pay to go there. You only have to give just a little donation. Guys, guess where we are heading now? We are heading right to where they do the jerk, the Jamaican jerk, which is Boston. So we are heading now to Boston Jerk Center, where you get the delicious jerk pork and jerk chicken. So come along now, guys. Come along, run along. Here it is, guys. Here it is, here it is. Just wait a little while, just wait a little while. There you go, there you go. Here is the Boston Jerk stop. Right there. You go in there and you get your jerk pork, jerk chicken. Here it is, guys. Here you go. We finally reach our destination, Boston. We are here. Come with me, guys. Come, let us go inside to see what we can order. What do you like? What do you want to eat? Look at there, guys. Look inside there. So we are driving down to go and get a parking spot. Yeah. So we go down to the bottom now, and we went and we park. So we get a good parking spot. So we just head right into this section here. This we always went and go to this section. The guy there, they are very unique and they know what they are doing. So we went and we had our jerk pork, even though I didn't want to eat any because I'm trying to cut away from the meat. This is it for now, guys. See you next time around. Share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until then,